Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related videos on my channel. If they're the kind of videos you love to watch, then hit that subscribe button down below. Today we're testing the Revolution X Simpsons collection, which I have quite a lot of products from, to be fair. I've got all the lip kits because of Alex. I blame Alex for this. I was not really going to buy these at the beginning because I thought I own so many lip products and one's like a liquid matte. Then she put one on, I think it was the Homer lip kit in her video, and I was like, gonna have to buy them all now. Can't just buy one, can I? So yeah, we've got a lot to test out in this video, so I thought, let's do it. Firstly, we have a big old palette. This is £20 for a 30-pan palette. The box looks exactly the same as the palette, so if you want to throw it away you can. But as I'm filming this, Rev have a big huge sale and this palette's actually on offer for £10, so hopefully this goes up before the sale ends. If not, Revolution are always doing lots of sales. But the inside is very colourful, very bright, but you can tone it down because there's some shades in here that you can tone a colourful look down if you're not really a very colourful person like me. I dibble and dabble in it, but it's not really me. And you do have little like Bart's and Lisa's in here. Oh, and even Maggie, to be fair. You've got them all like imprinted in a couple of the shades as well, including the shimmers, which do Revolution usually do that? I can't remember. Then we have two lip masks. These are like slime masks. This is the Treehouse of Horror collection, if I haven't said it. Oh, this flavour. Oh, it's a lemon and lime flavour. It's a very me flavour. And I just want to touch one because I saw in Lucy's video they feel like slime. Oh, mine's very hard. That's nice. I do have the candy apple kudos flavour as well. Oh, that reminds me of like popcorn, sweet and salty flavour. Oh, okay. Then we have a little face palette. Now again, I don't understand why they do face palettes if they're not going to cater to everybody. So in this I feel like I could use the bronzer and blush, but the highlight is just not my thing, which is okay because there's highlights in other palettes that I'm definitely going to use. But this retailed for £10 and it's actually on offer for I feel like £5. And then we've got a highlighting palette. This palette is what I am really looking forward to, especially this. I feel like just by looking at it, it's meant to have the kind of Soph collection highlight kind of feeling to it. I'm really hoping it does, but I can't wait to use Lisa's one. Just that's me. But let's swatch them actually. Yeah, I can't wait to use Lisa's one. Look at it at the bottom. We also have two eyeshadow palettes that are a bit more mini. They are £10, but at the moment they were on offer for £5 from Rev. This looks like this. This is Bart's palette. I don't know if they have names. They probably do, but... And then we've got Lisa's palette, which I feel like I want to use Lisa's palette, to be fair. Oh no, sorry, it's Maggie's. It's Maggie's palette. Okay, yeah, I want to use Maggie's palette, the highlight, the blush set, and then we've got some lip products to use, but I'm going to show you them at the end. Okay, from Maggie's palette I want to take the shade Seance right here, and we're going to put that in the outer corner. I am in love with these little shadows. I feel like they're perfect for like on the go traveling. This is a really nice shade. We'll bring that in just a little bit. There's a little bit of kickback in the pan as well. And then let's take a bit of Graveyard and just blend that out a little bit more. I'm going to bring that in the inner corner as well now. I'm excited for this shade. I want to take this orange in the shade Candle in the Wound and blend out the edges. Very excited for this shade. It's like I really want to go in with that gold, but then I'm drawn to that green as well. You know what we're going to do? We'll put the green on the lower lash line and we'll go in with the gold on the lid. Ooh, look at that. It's a really good gold. Look at that. That is a brilliant shade. And then we take a little bit of our blending brush and we just blend it out. I'm going to finish off my eyes and come back when we're doing the face palette. Let's use this palette. I am so excited. I wish the mirrors were a little bit bigger than they are, like to fill the whole cardboard, because you kind of can just only see a section of your face. But the bronzer is called Evil Twins, the blusher is called Brains, and the highlight is called Cursed. Okay. Just gonna look in my big mirror over here because I feel like when you're doing face, you need a big mirror. Let's use this blush now. I'm quite excited for the blush. Love, love, love the blush. Highlight, we're going into Lisa's palette and we're going to use the gold shade, which is called Ghost Story. This is going to be my favourite part. Are you ready, guys? That is a me highlight right there, literally. Loving it. For the lip kits, we've got 3. These retailed for £8, I believe. We've got Vampire Mr. Burns is this lip kit right here. So it's a red and then it's got like just basically a pinkier gloss over the top, but the pink gloss is very, very transparent, so you can just about see it. Then we have a Devil's Flounders, which just looks like this. This is this one here. It's not as dark as the previous red, the Vampire Mr. Red, but Vampire Mr. Burns, I think I am going to use that one. And then you've got this one here. All the glosses are basically just like clear. So this is Donut Head Homer. I'm just going to show you the nude shade because there's no point swatching the gloss again, which is this shade on the end, and it looks like this in the tube. So let me just quickly put on Mr. Burns shade. I'm gonna go under my eyes with that green, I think it was, complete my makeup, and we'll come back and talk about this collection, which I'm really, really loving. Well, this is the finished look. I am absolutely impressed with it. You might hear the washing machine going because it sounds like a tornado when that thing goes. But yeah, I love it. The lip kit is really nice. It's dried down quite matte, which I didn't think it would. I thought they were a bit more moussey when I put them on, but it's dried down matte. And then for the palette, I actually went in with Regal, this shade here, in the inner corner of brow bone, and it's actually just a matte shade. So I thought it'd have a little bit of glitter in there. I thought so, but I think it looks nice with a matte shade in the outer the brow bone anyway, and the inner corner, the gold's all the way across anyway, so it doesn't matter. It performed really, really, really well. The lip kit is nice. I find it a bit drying. I don't know if it's meant to be that drying. However, let's put the gloss over the top. I just wanted to show you it matte and then we can put the gloss over together. And this is with the gloss over the top. Perfect match. I actually really, really like this. I feel like nothing didn't perform well for me. Do feel like the lip kit was a little bit drying. The eyeshadow palette blended out perfectly. I just feel like it needed something for the inner corner, especially for people that like an icier inner corner highlight. But it has enough mattes, enough shimmers to create a nice little look. Like it's an everyday kind of palette. I feel like I love this, actually love it. The lip mask was really nice. It didn't feel like slime, how Lucy's looked, because it looked like you push your finger in and it was kind of slimy. But the candy apple one smells really nice. The gloss smelled a bit different. It smelled like really cinnamony, something I've never really smelled in a lip product before. And yeah, the highlight is banging. Love that they've got like a gold tone and a icier toned one, depending on what you kind of enjoy. Overall, I feel like this collection was amazing. I love it. It's got so much more as well online. It's got like gel liners, it's got blue eyelashes, it's got a slime primer, there's brushes, there's a bag. Like there's so much more to this collection, but I did buy a lot of it, so I didn't need any more. So I really hope you did enjoy this video. Tell me what your favorite product is. I feel like I might try out that slime primer in the future. So I hope you did enjoy, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.